Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we have a very specific mission. We're going to distill everything you need to know about one particular piece of camera gear. The IE Imaging CS-6.0F. It's a 6mm HD-rated CS mount lens. Our goal here is to really master its technical profile and, maybe more importantly, unpack the financial factors that are affecting its price right now.
Yeah, and this is a component that's a real workhorse, especially in fixed installations. At its core, you're looking at a manual focus fixed iris lens. It uses a CS mount.
And for anyone who's maybe a little less familiar with the term, the CS mount is basically that standardized thread, right? The one you see on security cameras and specialized machine vision setups.
Exactly, it's a critical standard.
Okay, so let's hit the core specs, because the physical profile on this thing is, well, it's pretty noteworthy.
It really is.
We're talking a 6mm focal length, an aperture set at f1.6, and a weight that is just tiny.
Yeah.
28 grams, that's 0.06 pounds.
It's almost nothing. That's lighter than a couple of AAA batteries.
Yeah.
And that fixed iris designation you mentioned is important too. Since it's not adjustable, this lens is really optimized for places with consistent, stable lighting. You trade that flexibility for stability, you know?
Right, a key trade-off for professional HD gear.
Mm.
So, okay, let's move on to compatibility. What does this actually work with?
Well, it's broadly functional with cameras up to about 5 megapixels, but it's really optimized for AIDA Imaging's own camera systems.
Their own full HD systems.
Yes, specifically the ones that use a 13-inch progressive CMOS sensor.
And understand that sensor pairing is everything. The progressive CMOS part means the sensor is scanning the whole scene at once, which is crucial for getting that sharp HD image.
It is, yeah. And that optimization dramatically affects your field of view, your FOV.
This is where the physics of the glass really starts to matter for the person doing the install.
Yeah.
You have to match the lens to the chip perfectly.
Absolutely. So for example, if you use a larger 12.5-inch sensor, you get a nice, wide, 54-degree horizontal FOV. But if you switch to a smaller, say, a 13.2-inch sensor, that view tightens up a lot. It drops down to 42 degrees.
That's a 12-degree difference. That could dictate the entire installation.
It does. And, that brings us to the market reality of this lens. You see the price listed right now at $45.
Which, for HD-rated glass, seems incredibly competitive. Almost too competitive. It makes you wonder if there's something hidden in that price.
Well, here's the aha moment. Here's the catch, if you want to call it that.
Okay, let's hear it.
So, effective since October 9th, 2025, AIDA put a 15% tariff on all their products.
Oh, tariff. Okay.
And the crucial piece of information, the thing you have to know, is that the $45 price tag already includes that full 15% tariff.
Wow. Okay, so it's already baked in. That's really valuable intelligence. It means you're seeing the real cost of acquisition, not some pre-tariff price that's going to get adjusted later.
Exactly. It's a key detail.
And beyond the cost, the operational profile is solid. This thing is built for pretty extreme environments.
Oh, yeah. It operates comfortably from a frigid -4 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It's robust.
And then there's the whole purchase package from the seller, HD TV supply. You're getting free USA shipping, 30-day returns.
A standard 2-year warranty, which is good, and free lifetime tech support.
Plus, it's TAA compliant.
Right. And for anyone listening who works with government or large institutional contracts, that TAA compliance is a huge deal.
It just means the product meets the trade agreement standards for procurement by the U.S. government.
Yeah.
Simplifies the whole supply chain.
It really does. So to kind of synthesize all this, you've got the CS-6.0F. It's a precise, lightweight, optical component, 6mm f1.6, and it's optimized for very specific HD sensors.
Backed by a solid warranty and support package.
Exactly.
So the final thought we want to leave you with is this. When you're evaluating specialized gear like this lens, you have to look past just the technical specs. You have to consider the market context. This lens proves that external financial factors like that specific 15% tariff can shape the final price just as much as focal length or f-stop ever could. Something to keep in mind next time you're sourcing imaging tech.